Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Miguel's View. Today, we're going to be going over Dogecoin, what you need to know, what is the latest news, and some technical analysis. You don't want to miss it, so don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, guys. So really quick, let's go ahead and go over the news of what's going on with Bitcoin. With Dogecoin. All right. Dogecoin is a dangerous joke, says Bitwise CIO. Uh, Dogecoin rises and falls, has spawned billion-dollar imitators. So some negative news on Dogecoin going on. What is the Shiba coin experts weigh in on the Doge killer hype? Chinese. Let's see what's going on here. Goldman Sachs boss has reported quit after SpaceX will. Okay, so that's what's trending on Dogecoin. But let's get to the important stuff and let's go to technical analysis and see what's going on with Dogecoin really quick. Go ahead and move on over to the left. Okay, guys, so let's zoom in here. All right, and this is the levels that we had yesterday, and I told you we break below this level, we're gonna come and test this next support here around 43 cents. And guess what happened, guys? We broke, okay, and we came and tested this support area right here at 35 cents. So right to the dot, it got back, bought back up, and here we are at trading at this 45 cent area. So you want to keep an eye on this level. If we fall below this, we're gonna go to 34 cents, and then if we fall below that, we're gonna fall to around this area around 25 cents. So let's go ahead and put another support line there really quick. Put a support here at 25 cents. All right, so these are our support areas, and this is what we need to watch. Okay. And let's go ahead and draw another downtrend here, because this is what we need to watch now. Okay. So yesterday we spoke about, and if you're not subscribed to my videos, you need to go ahead and subscribe so you can get every day I go over Dogecoin and what's going on, technical analysis. And we've been hitting to the T on, where the stock is going to go if it breaks certain resistance. As I said yesterday, if we broke above this trend line, we're going to butt out here. And then we needed to stay above this trend line. And if we broke below this trend line, we're going to test this support. If we broke there, it would be, a triple bottom. And if we broke that, we would test below on this resistance. That's exactly what happened. And if you had some buy orders around here, this would have been a good buying zone. Anytime we have a support, it's a good buying zone to get in to Dogecoin. So that's what happened. And this is what you want to keep an eye on. We need to get above this trend line here, guys. If we can't get above this trend line, we're going to come and test this 43, 44 area once again. And if we can't hold support there, guys, we're going to come and test this 28 and then 25 cents. So we really need to hold the support. If we go to the daily chart, this is what's happening. We haven't had a green candle on the daily chart, in what, 5 days now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today's the 5th day. We've been on a downtrend. And the concern now is that MACD crossed over. Okay, that's always a concern because there's traders that trade only and solely on MACD. Okay, so we lose volume when MACD traders get out of positions because the MACD crossed. Okay, it was a concern here, but right as the momentum started shifting, okay, we turned around. Then we got all the MACD traders back in here to play this momentum up. But now we cross right below. So this is a bit of concern. We need to break this downtrend that we just keep going down every day. Look at this candles. Every day we're just making a lower. So we need to keep an eye on that. If we look at the 4-hour, okay, we have this trend that we need to break above. Okay, so the RSI on the 4-hour, it is bottomed out. And let's adjust this trend right here. Okay, we're bottomed out, and we look like we've done a double bottom here on the RSI. If we can start curling up on the 4-hour, okay, and get above here, I think we're gonna be okay. But if we can't get above this trend right here, all right, we could come back and test the support. And if we can't hold, we're going to fall a little bit more. So we need to get some upside potential so we can get a daily green candle on the daily and start building momentum to the upside. So Elon Musk also said that he did a poll and asked if people would buy Tesla using Dogecoin. And the results were positive. Most people, I think 77% voted yes, they would use Dogecoin to buy a Tesla. So that is positive news on that. He also posted today that he was going to hold off on accepting Bitcoin to buy Tesla because of energy consumption. And it's a whole other topic. But anyways, that kind of brought the cryptos down in general. So that was a negative hit towards the cryptos, and now we see all the crypto market kind of falling down. And I guess it affected Dogecoin as well, but it's still holding its levels. We just got to know where what to look at. And we have this real nice trend. Look, I want you to see this. Oh, what happened here? I want you to see this. Let's see if I can get rid of this ad. We had this momentum up from the 23rd, okay, all the way up to May 5th. Okay. So we had this upward momentum on the RSI. Okay, and the MACD did stay positive the whole time. Okay, so now we're having the momentum shift to the downside. Okay. So we're very, very close to breaking out here on this downside momentum. And if we do that, I believe it's gonna be good news, okay, for Dogecoin to get some momentum building up. So let's go ahead and extend this. This is what we're going to be hitting every time we go up, guys. And then we have this trend here. And it's about the same level. So if we can break above this, we're going to come and hit this 57 area. We're going to have resistance there. If we can break this, we're going to get back to around 60, 70 cents. Okay, and then if we can break that, we're going to come and test highs. So that's what we're looking at right now. So pay real close attention. Okay, if you're not in Dogecoin, you're like, well, I want to get in at these levels. These are the levels. Every time we have a dip into this support areas, this is the levels that you want to be getting. Okay, don't be getting up here. Don't be getting up here. This is the levels where you want to get or add more to your position. If you're one of those that you're diamond handing this until $1, well, this is where you want to add to your position as well. It's up to you. You have to have your own strategy, your own plan. I don't give you investment advice. I just give you levels to see where support is, where resistance is. Then you can develop your own plan and your own strategy from there. But hopefully, I help you on the journey, to trade. And I'm a full-time trader. This is what I do. I trade stock, equities, options, cryptos. And now, I built a YouTube channel to kind of help people that are just beginning. I've seen people, lose a lot of money because they get up here and they get out. They get in here and they get out here. And I'm always getting emails and questions and stuff like that. So I decided to build an educational channel so I can help many people out all at once. So if you know somebody that needs help, go ahead and refer them to my channel. Tell them, hey, there's this guy giving technical levels. It's been hidden to exactly what he's talking about. He doesn't hype things up. He just tells you straight out what you need to look for. So that's what I'm here for. So if you like that, go ahead and just stop right now and give this video a like really quick. It will really help me as I grow and progress on this YouTube channel. So go ahead and give it a like, guys. I would really, really appreciate it. But back to Dogecoin. I like the 4 hour, guys, because you see things a little bit more clear. Okay. I trade within the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and I use the daily also to look at direction. But 4 hour usually which change. You'll see the change of direction a little bit faster than the daily. So I like using the 4 hour and the 1 hour. The most you enter it and get in and get out of positions. But as you can see here, this is the 1 hour as well, and we just need to break. We just need to break above this downtrend right here, and we're gonna come into this 56 area again. So hopefully we can build some momentum. Sometimes the stock needs a little healthy pullback, and it's okay that we get healthy pullbacks, and then we'll get a bigger run. So you can see it happened here when we hit all-time highs for a little while. Then we had a downtrend. You see this right here, a downtrend, and then the MACD came back up, RSI came back up, and then I can draw you the lines. You see this right here, and then we formed another downtrend right here, and then we had a little uptrend, then a downtrend, then uptrend, and this is the day, the hourly, and you go to the 4 hour, you can see things a little bit in a bigger picture, in a better perspective. But the stock has to do that, or these coins have to do that, just like stocks, because they need healthy pullbacks. But in the long run, I think we're still good. Okay, we're still good as long as we hold this support areas. Okay, this is crucial areas we have to support. And the good thing is, there was a lot of buyers in this area. As soon as the stock came down, orders came in, and that's what caused the stock to come back up, or this coin to come back up. Okay, so that is good that we have a lot of buyers in this section, a lot of volume coming in, buying it back up. So we want the momentum to keep shifting to the upside in the days that are coming, and we don't want to go any lower, guys. Please have a plan. Please have a strategy. Don't lose more than you can afford. Always get in at support areas. This is great entries right here. Anytime. Well, if you've been watching my serious videos, I will tell you, people would ask me, when is the time to get in? Well, support areas, this areas right here, right? These are great times to get in. Anytime you come close to the support trend lines, a good time to get in right here. Do you get up here? No, you wait for it to come back to support. It always comes back to support, always. Okay, and you get in here. Look, you could have gone in here, got the profits over here. If you're scalping, okay, if you're swinging multi-day, everybody has different plans and strategies. So develop your own. See what works best for you. Maybe you're building for long term and you want to add on every dip. That is totally up to you. Just play. Whatever your strategy is, just have one, and also have a stop loss. This thing can go to $1. This thing can come back to zero. Nobody ever knows. Okay, nobody ever knows where it's going to go. If somebody tells you they know, they're lying. Okay, nobody ever knows. I've been in this game for a long time. I've seen stocks go as high as nobody ever predicted, and I also seen stocks, plummet down to nearly zero, where everybody was predicting high numbers. So nobody ever knows. You look at the charts, you play the charts. The charts speak louder, than words. So anybody can say anything, but the charts, they speak louder. So that's what I'm here for. Show you the charts to make you understand a little bit better how to work the charts, how to see the charts, and how to develop your own strategy. So that's what we're looking for, guys. We need to break this uptrend. Okay, this downtrend, and we need to start building to the upside, or we could see more downside potential. I told you guys yesterday, you see my previous video, that if we broke below this downtrend, we're going to come here, have a triple bottom, and potentially we couldn't break above, see this, see it come to this levels right here. Go watch my previous video. You're going to see that I said exactly that, and that's exactly what happened. So Again, nothing to panic. If you got in at the support areas, you're still good. Okay, just have a plan, have a strategy of when to get out if it breaks below, and if it breaks above, well then you hold and you diamond hand uh this puppy dog until we get back to 60, 70, 80, 90. But always have an exit plan just in case it doesn't go that route. So, guys, thank you so much again for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. If there's people, if you have friends, family that are getting into crypto, show them this video. Tell them, hey, this guy's going to give you great levels on when to enter. If you don't know when to enter, when to potentially get in. And, learn how to read the chart. So, again, thank you. Like and subscribe. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please put in the comments below. Any questions that you might have, what you think. Is it going to continue going lower? You think it's going to go up to $1? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I would like to hear your thoughts. And, I'll get back to you a question about anything else. Or maybe you see something that I don't see and you want to, put it there in the comments, and I'll go over it on the next video. But other than that, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching these videos, and for subscribing and for liking. Thank you. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Adios.